you ever received a letter from Fairfax County Planning Division about a potential change coming to your area and thought, why did I get this letter? Has this change already been made? What if I have something to suggest or add to the conversation? Continue watching to learn the answer to those questions. We are back with another short video on long-range planning. In this video, you'll learn how you can participate, influence, and engage in the planning process in Fairfax County. In our previous two videos, we talked about the comprehensive plan and how that guiding document can be changed. Our aim in this video is to let you know about the most important part, how you and our community members can get involved in the planning process. As a resident and community member of Fairfax County, we know that you care about where you live and how it will change in the future. Whether you've lived in Fairfax County all your life, moved here last year, are raising children here, or have decided to retire here, you have a voice when it comes to plans that shape the future of our county. The Planning Division of the Planning and Development Department reaches out to residents in multiple ways. You may have gotten a letter in the mail from us. You may be subscribed to one of our email newsletters, or follow us on our Facebook page. You can also find staff members holding special open houses and town halls, working with the local media to send out information, conducting surveys, and working with the community to create task forces and holding public meetings for larger comprehensive plan projects. Anytime there is a change to the comprehensive plan, residents and community members have the chance to participate. Whether that's through answering a survey, attending and making a public comment at a public hearing, asking questions at a community meeting, or even sending us an email with questions or comments. We gather all of this input before making a final recommendation to the Planning Commission and Board of Supervisors. The Planning Division knows how important community feedback is. Whenever we make a recommendation to the board on a land use change, we look at the county's strategic plan and current planning policies, best practices within planning, staff analysis, and the comments, questions, and suggestions we've received. We also take into account the community's desire and how it will impact the area of the county where the planned land use change is proposed to take place. We use all of this to make a final recommendation. Now, we know all of our community members have busy lives, which is why we try to make it easy for you to get involved. You can find all of the proposed comprehensive plan amendments on our website, and staff is always happy to answer questions. We even have a planner of the day you can reach by calling 703-324-1380. To make it simple, your voice matters when it comes to potential changes to the comprehensive plan and the future of land use planning in Fairfax County. Thank you for being involved. We'll see you next time for another short video on long-range planning.